The next thing I want to show you is what does the student see from their perspective once they have a grade. So I gave Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa is our example or our dummy student. We can put that in anybody's class. If you want Mona Lisa in your classroom and kind of see from the student's perspective, you can just ask us and we'll do that for you. But what do they see in the now that they have this score? So I'm going to actually open up a new browser window. I'm going to log in as Mona Lisa. She gets this report card, which is like a 1-grade summary of what she's doing in class. And she is getting a 95% in class. And if I want to see details, I could click on this number, and that jumps to her grades in that class. The other thing that Mona Lisa can do is go into the actual class itself. Notice that she doesn't have access to the grade center right there. And then things that I've listed comments for, notice that she has these little bubbles, and if I click on that, I can see what the critiques are for that. Not very good, apparently.